my Tello drone went to the water in the pool and now it's not turning on. So let's put it in the Ryze to see if we're gonna fix it. So I'm gonna put it inside on a ball and I'm gonna fill the ball with water. And I'm gonna leave the drone there to see what's gonna happen. A week after, our drone is still buried here on the Ryze, so let's take it out and see if it's gonna work. Oh my god, are you still alive? Oh, it's full of Ryze everywhere. So I must remove all the Ryze. Hello, Tello. Let's revive you, man. I can still hear some Ryze inside. Come on, get out. It's trapped. Ah, okay. Something got out. Alright, and right now I'm gonna put the battery inside the Tello. And I'm gonna put the cable to charge the Tello drone here. And once I'm gonna connect it, we should see the light open here. If it worked, it's gonna open. If not... No, come on.